Are you interested in becoming an advocate for change?
Do you have experience that your local college could benefit from?
And do you want to be the voice of your local community on important decisions?
Further education or FE governors have an important role to play within Coleg y Cymoedd.
And we're recruiting, so how does an FE governor fit in?
Coleg y Cymoedd is governed first and foremost by a governing body who work closely with an experienced senior leadership team.
These include the principal and vice principals of the college.
Governors are on hand to provide advice, support and guidance to the college on a variety of things.
These include finance, estate management, human resources, curriculum and quality audit.
Coleg y Cymoedd welcomes learners from all walks of life, from school leavers to mature learners.
Offering for over 400 courses across 4 campuses throughout the South Wales Valleys.
As you can imagine, there's lots happening and we need to make sure all the plans we make are considered and voiced to all those affected.
But that's not all governors do.
Governors can also build the links with Coleg y Cymoedd
to help organise community events and fundraisers and actively become important figures
who can bridge the gaps between campuses and their respective communities.
Did you also know that being a governor is great for developing your skills too?
Making you more employable and providing you with unique experiences.
We're waiting to see what you have to offer.
Volunteer today.